The maintaining power springs have fitted. I need to flip this over now so I can fit the click and the click spring. Click spring is a long, slender brass piece. It's fitted with a steel screw, and the click is steel, and it's also fitted with a steel screw. And all the surfaces where they meet each other need to be oiled or greased. When these pieces have been secured, I'm going to rotate the whole gear around and then place it down onto the drum, the going drum. And you'll see then where the click interacts with the ratchet teeth on the drum itself. So I'm just lowering down the maintaining gear onto the drum and oiling the little rim there along the drum side. That's going to be under tension, and you'll see the tension washer being fitted just in a moment after everything is greased up and ready to go. This is the main gear which has been fitted. So the maintaining power supply, which is the gear we were working on previously, is going to act on the main gear itself. And that force is going to allow the clock to work while you're winding the clock itself. I noticed that the tension washer was not very flat and wasn't providing enough tension onto the gear itself, so you would get a lot of side play if that tension is not correct. So I just flattened it, and now I'm going to dome it properly so that it gives an even amount of pressure onto that gear, and there's no little wobbles in it, and it doesn't allow it to move side to side where it shouldn't move. We lower the disc down onto the drum, slide it into position, and then there's a little screw, steel screw, which is threaded into place to stop that from sliding back out and becoming a problem then. So that's the maintaining power gear assembled and oiled. All that's left to do now is place it in the movement with the rest of the gears, and